All right, Clay. So tell me about any new wins that Hopkins Law Firm has had lately.
Yeah,
These
so
interesting
even
times, I
though
guess.
yeah, even though we have a pandemic going on, like we've said, cases are still moving forward and still going on, um, and courts have been open. Obviously, we're not having jury trials right now or trials at the courthouse, but the courts are still open and people can still file lawsuits, and lawsuits are still moving forward. Just this month, even though most of these are confidential, the amounts that we settle for and the numbers, we've settled a school bullying case this month. We've settled what we call, a simple car wreck case, where somebody was just injured in a car wreck with another individual who caused that wreck. This month, I settled an employment case where our client alleged that he had been terminated for pursuing workers' compensation claim. There's a specific statute in South Carolina that forbids that. You obviously can pursue workers' compensation if you've been injured on the job or believe that you've been injured on the job. And if an employer terminates you or retaliates against you for that, you can pursue action against them for that. We resolved that case this month. And then last week, I actually settled kind of an odd case. We had a case where a client of ours was promised by this organization that they would provide her with a scholarship for her to attend college. And ultimately, that organization reneged on that and didn't pay any towards her scholarships or money for education. She ultimately had to get out federal student loans, which are available to anybody certainly, but they are interest bearing and interest accruing. And she's a teacher in South Carolina, and so obviously that's a burden on her. But we got that case resolved favorably and amicably just last week for her. So despite what's going on, we're still pursuing a wide variety of cases and still working as quickly as we can to get those resolved in a way that's not only fair to our client, but provides them the justice that they're looking for.